Hey, it's Brian here from quantlabs.net. I just wanted to go over what we're doing over the next couple of days, where we're at, rationalization, and all that stuff. So, I haven't put this in the video yet. I just want to let people know, just so I like to put videos out. It's faster for me than typing things out. So, this is what we're going to be doing. Over the next few days, I'm going to be doing what we call a flash sale. What is that? Basically, we're going to be putting out a very, very low price entry point for people that are interested in our premium membership, the quantlabs.net premium membership, for very, very, very cheap. Let me just give you where you can go to get that, or one place. If you come under quantlabs.net/membership.html, just go order now. Okay, so we're going to make this really, really cheap. Now, you go, why would I do that? Well, it's quite simple. I've got thousands of people on my email list. I get about 500 to 700 people a day visiting my website. Now, from that, I want to try to get as many people to take advantage of this offer, but we're only going to do it for a couple of days. It could be up for 2 days, 24 hours, or 5 days. I don't know. But I will send out an email to all those that are on my newsletter list, that visit my website, that follow me through RSS and all that stuff. So the reason I'm doing this is because I want you to get involved in what we do on the paid side. I'm going to be putting out more proprietary stuff in coming weeks to months, and as we move forward, it's going to be, in my mind, more and more valuable, just because of the source code alone and what we bring to the table. And also the various people we bring in. We've got members that are former CEOs and founders of the large exchanges out there that you know of. We've got some large institutional educators from like some pretty notoriously well-known stuff. And we got a lot of people as students, people who want to make a career shift, well-off, high net worth people. So we got 2 memberships right now in parallel. We got this premium membership, this one right here, this Quant Labs premium membership, and you can sign up, just order now. So we're going to put that at a super discount. And in coming weeks to months, at the same time, we will be doing a large marketing campaign. And those people will be being targeted the elite service. Now, the elite service is a really expensive one. A lot of people ask me what's the difference between the two. Well, basically they are the same, but there's some more advanced stuff in the elite right now. So if you want to understand what I've been doing for the last 3+ years, this is a good way to go about it at a very low risk price. Because the elite's over $1,000, and actually it's currently $1,500. We do have people that take advantage of it. But because I try to make it fair to those that are part of my newsletter, some are waffling, some may want to do the elite rate, they may not be able to afford it, whatever. I mean, that's their choice. This is the way to go about doing it. Now, at the same time, I want to give these people that are sitting on the fence, that are kind of waffling, the opportunity to get in now. Once we start doing our heavy campaign on our marketing side, what will happen is these kind of offerings will not be put out anymore, because we've been testing for the last few months just small little potato market tests, and they've been doing pretty good. So I'm starting to see for no reason why we should continue doing this premium service, because we're just going to be now focusing on the very, very high end, considering what we got. So I'm going to show where we're going coming up at the end of July 2014. So for now, for those that want to take advantage of this after the flash sale is done, sorry, we're not going to be doing it again. This is the time now. If you're part of the newsletter, get in on it now. For the next few days, I'll be hammering away a little bit on it, quite a bit actually, and I'll be putting a notice on my throughout my whole site. So that will be the opportunity to get in on it now. Or as they say, forever hold your peace. Yeah, something like that. So once I have offered that as an opportunity, I can now move ahead and start focusing on the higher end stuff, which is my Quant Elite. I've got videos again of the difference. I'll put the links up, and this is it. So act now, I guess, or as they keep saying, forever hold your peace. Does that make sense? Whatever. All right, so let's talk about where we're going and why this new elite membership is more valuable, because I'm not putting this stuff into this premium. It's just to take advantage of what I've been currently doing. So the last couple of weeks, or actually a couple of months, I have been spending a lot of time on my Academy section. Okay, now let me just go over there to my Quant Labs Quant Labs. Come on, baby. Quant Labs Academy. Yeah, there. I can't see me type away. Okay, so we go into our quantlabs.net/academy. So here we are. So here, these are all the current latest postings. But here, this is what we've been doing lately. We've been doing what we call a mass study from Khan Academy. These little links link back to what I've been learning, watching videos on Khan Academy. You know, anything in the last 3.5 years, I don't care what language you want to use to deploy your trading idea, your prototype in, your trading platform. This exercise has really opened my eyes. Just understanding the basic levels of calculus, algebra, stats, all that stuff, all the basic math. It has been such a huge positive impact on me in terms of just realizing you need to be innovative in your trading ideas and your algorithms. You can read all you want. They have that term, analysis by paralysis. You are wasting time over time. Cannot stress that. I've talked to my powerful, very successful friend about it time and time again, and he's been hammering this on my head for so long. I don't know how to go on about it, but I see the light now. But it's a lot of work, to be honest. But at the end of the day, it's worth the punishment to put yourself through. So as I said, I've gone through all that. I provide the links of all this important stuff and integrals, you name it. This is just the latest stuff I've been doing for the last little while. All right, so there's that. Now we last week we did a video. I've mentioned this before in another video. If you're not understanding the secrets to everything, this little video right here, I've mentioned this with Paul Cottrell and my friend. This little video here is just worth a weight in gold to join this membership. Anyways, enough of that. But you get the idea that you won't find that video in the premium. It's in my elite. That's why we call it the elite. I'll be seeing if Mr. Ernie Chan would want to contribute some stuff as well for my elite members. Okay, so that's one big crust that I've been spending all the last few months on, just applying a lot of math, well, I'll just say. All right, so this is the blocks. I've been looking at Python. So the other gap that I've always had for the last 3 years is Python. Where's Python fit in all this? I've got R, I've got .NET stuff, I got MATLAB, blah, blah, blah. Hey, why not? Why don't we just use Python as well? So somebody thankfully sent me a link to a book, a very powerful book, Python for Data Analysis, with this Pandas, NumPy, IPython for financial. So I'm going to be reading this. I'm going to be taking a little bit of a turn and learning some Python, yes, to close out those missing gaps that I have. To be honest, I might play with it. I have Python and just play around and see where it goes. I don't want to spend too much time on this, no more than a week. And once we come off of that, we come back to this chart. I've shown this too. This is so important. F# versus Python. Now, the reason I bring this is because I've gone on about this difference, but I can tell you the F# is more modern than Python. Don't ask. But it also leverages the .NET framework, which is very powerful. Okay, the Django is only good for really web stuff, but this works for everything, including financial. So I'm not going to go on about that, but I do see F# being a very big part of my analysis, prototyping, all that, and at the same time being able to bring everything together. I do see that in my future. I'm also going to try to get some people on my meetups to demo some of the potential of what F# can do. Alright, so that's where we're going. Looking at this book here. on this data, Python for data analysis, and then eventually moving into F#. From there, we start doing the exciting stuff. So again, I won't be doing any of that in the premium membership. It's just like an archive, let's call it, and you just get to play around and blah 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 blah. Look at stuff for this flash sale. Over time, those people that are part of the flash or this premium, I will give you a big discount to get into the elite. Okay, once we're ready and we got really juicy content. But we're only going to do it once. After that, because we're going to be hammering away on this new campaign, we have no reason to pester people on my newsletter and all that any further, because we will be doing an external marketing campaign to bring in the targeted people that we want. All right, so be on the lookout for that if you don't know about it. And this again is probably going to be the only opportunity, now or never, I guess. And those that jump in, great, thank you. If not, you sit on the sidelines and you do decide at some point, I want to come back, well, you won't get this deal, that's for sure. Okay, so just want to let people know about it. This is not going to be, this offering is not going to be around for very long. So it's up to you what you want to do. Good luck, and may the force be with you. Oh, and one other thing to all you, what we call bottom feeders, trolls, and well, basically, I just like to say a lot of negative stuff. We don't need you. We don't care. We're still growing, and in the last 2 months, we've already increased our traffic by, let's say 50%. So we're growing on a positive front, and it's good. And again, we don't need people like that, and you ain't gonna stop us. That's it. So that's that, and hopefully we'll see you on the other side if you're interested in this stuff. I'll talk to you later. Brian, over and out. Later. Hey, so just to make sure everybody's in sync, come under quantlabs.net/membership.htm. Well, I'll give you links. Come under order now. Okay, what you'll see if you've done this before, this number right here used to be $109. It's now $59. So it's what, $50–$60 off. Same as this rate. Okay, you will not get it cheaper than that ever. Okay, just want to let people know where to go to get that. Just do all your usual PayPal or MasterCard stuff. Okay, have a good day.